about eating matzah on Shabbos. For people following the Sephardic custom, are they allowed to substitute bread with matzah for Shabbos meal?
No, that's a very good question. No, because for they would say mizoines on that. I mean, if you so let's put it this way: if there is no bread, for whatever reason, so a person was sick, they could not buy bread before Shabbos, right? It just came to his or her senses, like, I don't know, half an hour before the candlelight, let's say, right? So it's possible. So yeah, if you have a box of matzah, we always have a few boxes of matzah just in case. I mean, you never know. So in this case, yeah, there is no problem. But you would say, but Sephardic person would say, "Borei minei mizoines." Actually, no. Actually, that's it. I apologize. I take it back. So if they're going to eat several, like let's say machine matzah, a few of them, they can say hamotze. Actually, I apologize. I take it back. Why? Because in this case, it's going to be a meal for them. They would say hamotze even if they do kiddush, like not kiddush. If they do the blessing of the cakes, they have two cakes, for example, they combine and they would say hamotze because now it became their meal. Right? Yeah. So yeah, but otherwise, like under normal circumstances, and of course they're planning to eat like this matzah and all other like foods. Yes, they would say hamotze. But otherwise, like if only a little piece, they would say mizoines. Good question. But Ashkenazim would say hamotze even on tiny bit. Even as we said before, like it's an exception to the rule. It's not the rule because one of the definition of mizoines is what is it? Dry, like crumbling consistency. Flat, dry, and crumbling. That's exactly the definition of cracker. Definition of the matzah. So, but Ashkenazim say no. We went all year long. We would say hamotze. Because it is bread, it's attribute of bread. So I mean, you eat matzah, it feels you very good. Especially if you eat the home, like a shmura matzah, this handmade, it's so heavy. So it's so heavy, so you feel satiated very fast. Better than bread from small pieces. That's why we say don't cook too much. Or for a seder, because you will not be able to eat all this food. Like it's not right. So if you eat like according to the stricter measure of the law, so you're after only from these 4 cups of wine, right? From these pieces of matzah, you're full completely. Forget about. Of course, it's proper to eat maybe soup or some salad. But we usually don't eat meat, like because there is at least I would not. I mean, not meat, chicken or something. I would not eat because it's too much of food. Plus, afikaman, the last piece, you're trying to do like since according to some opinion, this afikaman. So since according to some opinion, this last piece is actually the mitzvah of the matzah. Right, korban pesach, matzah, whatever, like so that's the issue, right? So I mean, you have to eat the full piece, and people usually so full they cannot eat. And according to our sages, so if you're not hungry, so if you stuff yourself, like you're so full that you don't want to eat, but you stuff yourself, is not considered to be eaten. It's nothing. So yeah. We have to take this opinion in consideration. So even you stuffed into yourself, but it's not considered that you ate. Yeah, but I swallowed. Yeah, you swallowed, but likely you did not eat. You understand? So because you're doing you're damaging yourself. That's not eating. Eating it's for the purpose of enjoying, for the purpose of nutrition. But the damaging yourself, it's not considered to be eating. Right? When somebody eats something like like spoiled food, they would not say a blessing. It's not considered to be eaten because it's not good for them. Okay. You're welcome.